Just rocking. Yes, I'm Daisy. I'm 65, and I love my life. I love being retired. I can live on my own. I walk. I walk outside alone. I go shopping alone. I travel alone. I sleep alone. Even though my children are here, I do love to enjoy life by myself. So living alone is nice. Some told me to color my hair, but I don't want to color my hair. Having a white, icy hair is an opportunity. Being old just happens once, being golden just happens once. So I love being 65.